Now, today's topic is nature of roots of quadratic equation. Nature of roots of quadratic equation can be determined by the equation b square minus 4ac equal to 0. b square minus 4ac, it is called discriminant. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant and it is denoted by delta. b square minus 4ac is denoted by delta. Okay, it is denoted by delta. Okay, b square minus 4ac means discriminant. Discriminant denoted by delta. We have to find the nature of roots by this delta, by this discriminant. Okay. Then there are three types of nature of roots. First one is if b square minus 4ac equal to 0. b square minus 4ac means delta. Okay, b square minus means 4ac, b square minus 4ac equal to delta. Okay. If we have to find discriminant, then first we have to find the value of delta, means we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is called delta, that is called discriminant. Okay. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, means if delta equal to 0, then the nature of roots of quadratic equation are real and the nature of roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. The nature of roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Real and equal. This is the nature. When real and equal, the nature will be real and equal when delta equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0, if b square minus 4 is equal to 0, then the nature of roots of quadratic equations will be real and equal. Okay. Then second, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, means b square minus 4ac means delta, means discriminant. Delta, discriminant and b square minus 4ac all are same. b square minus 4ac means delta. If b square minus 4ac greater 0, okay, b square minus 4ac here greater 0, means delta greater 0. There are which values will be greater than 0? All positive values will be greater than 0. Means if b square minus 4ac or delta is positive, if delta will be positive, then the nature of roots of quadratic equations are real and unequal. Real and unequal. Okay, this is the second nature. Third nature is if b square minus 4ac less than 0, means b square minus 4ac means delta. Delta less than 0 means all negative values are less than 0. Negative. Okay. b square minus 4ac less than 0 means delta less than 0 means all, if the value of b square minus 4ac will be negative, then the nature of roots of quadratic equations are not real. Okay. The nature of quadratic equations are not real. But when nature will be not real, if the value of b square minus 4ac will be negative, then the nature will be not real. Okay, there are three types of nature of quadratic equation. From these three types of nature of equation, we can solve exercise 2.5. Okay, but before solving exercise 2.5, we discuss topic. Our topic is to obtain quadratic equation having given roots. Page number 48. quadratic equation having roots. Let alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation in variable x. Okay, alpha and beta are two roots. When alpha and beta will be the roots, then the quadratic equation can be written as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the another quadratic equation. Means x square minus alpha plus beta, there are two roots. Means here sum of roots into x plus alpha into beta means product of roots equal to 0. This is the another equation of another quadratic equation having roots. There are two roots, alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation in variable x. Then we can write the another quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta means sum of roots plus product of roots equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation having two roots, that is alpha and beta. Okay, from this information we can solve exercise 2.5. Exercise practice set 2.5. Practice set 2.5. Question number 1 is activity. You can solve activity. Question number 2, find the value of discriminant. Discriminant means delta. Okay, find the value of a discriminant. Discriminant means delta, and delta means b square minus 4ac. Then first we have to find delta, means b square minus 4ac. The value of b square minus 4ac means discriminant. That is called discriminant. Here first problem, x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Then find the value of a discriminant means find the value of a delta, means find the value of b square minus 4ac. Then first comparing with the given equation is x square plus 7x minus 1. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is the value of a? The coefficient of a is x square. Here a is equal to 1. Then b equal to 7 and c equal to minus 1 with sign c equal to minus 1. Then find the value of delta means discriminant, and discriminant means b square minus 4ac. Put the value of ABC. Here b equal to 7 means 7 square minus 4 into a means 1 and equal to c, value of c is minus 1. Then first we have to solve square. 7 square equal to 49. Here minus into minus plus, 4 ones are 4, again 4 ones are 4. 49 plus 4 equal to 53. Therefore, the value of discriminant is 53. Okay. Second question for your homework. We can solve third problem. The given equation is root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. This is the given equation. Then first step is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then therefore a equal to coefficient of x square is root 2. A equal to root 2. Then b equal to coefficient of x is 4. And c is constant term. Which sign? Here sign is plus. Then c equal to 2 root 2. Then find the value of a discriminant. Means find the value of delta, and delta means b square minus 4ac. Put the value of ABC in this equation. B square, b equal to 4. 4 square minus 4 into a is root 2 and c is 2 root 2. Okay, first we have to solve square. 4 square is 16. Then solve this multiplication. Minus 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2. First we have to solve root 2. Four square means 16. Here 4 to the 8. Okay, 4 into 2 8 and into root 2 means 2. You already solved this type of question in 9th standard, surds. This is the problem of surds. 4 square 16 minus 8 to the 16 and 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of a discriminant is 0. This is the value of discriminant. Okay. Now, question number 3. Determine the nature of roots of quadratic equation. First problem, x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Solution, the given equation is x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Question is that determine the nature of roots. Okay, there are 3 types of nature of roots. First we have to find delta, means first we have to find b square minus 4ac and then decide what type of nature of roots. Okay, first we have to find delta means b square minus 4ac. Then first comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, here a equal to coefficient of x square is 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 4. And delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the value of ABC. B square means minus 4 square with sign. Minus 4 square minus 4 into a means 1, c means 4. Then first solve square. Minus 4 square. Here power of minus sign is even number. Then in answer the sign will be positive. Minus into minus plus and 4 square is 16. Okay. Then minus 4 4 the 16, 16 1 the 16 and 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of discriminant is 0. Delta is equal to 0. Therefore, the nature of roots of given equation are real and equal. If delta equal to 0, the nature of roots of given quadratic equations are real and equal. Okay, this is the first question. Question number 2 and question number 3 you can solve. Okay, then question number 4. Form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या करना है, given roots, यहाँ पर 2 roots दिए हैं. With roots given है, that is the alpha and beta. There are 2 roots and from these roots form the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation तैयार करना है. जब roots रहते हैं तब कौन सा equation लेना है, यहाँ पर कौन सा equation form करना है, ये मैंने अभी आपको बताया. When alpha and beta are the roots. Okay, then solution, here alpha and beta are the roots. Okay, therefore alpha equal to 1 by 2 and beta equal to minus 1 by 2 because there are 2 roots. Form the quadratic equation from the roots. Therefore alpha and beta are the roots. The value of alpha is 1 by 2 and the value of beta is minus 1 by 2. Okay, then our quadratic equation, क्या है अपना quadratic equation? अपना क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है एक्स स्क्वेयर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा इंटू एक्स प्लस अल्फा बीटा इक्वल टू 0. This is our quadratic equation when alpha and beta roots are given. So this equation is called quadratic equation when alpha and beta are given. So first we have to find sum of two roots and then we have to find product of two roots. Therefore first we have to find alpha plus beta. This is the sum of roots. Then first we have to find alpha plus beta. Okay, value of alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. The sum of two roots is 0. Then find the product of two roots by using our quadratic equation alpha into beta. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 and 2 2s are 4. Therefore product of two roots is minus 1 by 4. Then put alpha plus beta is equal to 0 in this equation and alpha into beta equal to minus 1 by 4 in this equation and form the new quadratic equation. Therefore our required equation is the required quadratic equation is, what is the equation? That is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. This is our required quadratic equation. Put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Then x square minus alpha plus beta is 0, 0x plus alpha into beta is minus 1 by 4 in the bracket minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Then x square minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Here solve this equation 4 into x, 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. This is our required quadratic equation. 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Here question number 5 and 6. Both questions are reduced in your syllabus. Question number 7. The roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Find k. First problem is 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. The given equation is 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 3, b equal to coefficient of y is k and here c is the constant term, that is 12. Then first we have to find delta, means discriminant, means b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 4ac, b is equal to k square minus 4 into a means 3 and c is the 12. Therefore k square minus 4 3 is the 12 and 12 into 12 144, means b square minus 4ac is equal to k square minus 144. b square minus 4ac equal to k square minus 144, means delta equal to k square minus 144. Okay, this is the value of delta, this is the value of discriminant. But our condition is that the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Okay, therefore the roots are real and equal. Okay, the roots are real. When will be roots are real and equal? If delta is equal to 0, then the roots will be real and equal. रियल और इक्वल कंडीशन क्या है? अगर डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू 0 है तब उसके रूट्स कैसे रहते हैं? रियल एंड इक्वल. यहाँ पर गिवन है द रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आर रियल एंड इक्वल. मीन इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि जो वैल्यू आपने फाइंड की डेल्टा की, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की, दैट इज द वैल्यू क्या लेनी पड़ेगी? वहाँ पे वैल्यू 0 लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, द रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल मीन्स डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू 0. मीन्स यहाँ पर क्या लेना पड़ेगा? देयरफॉर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इक्वल टू 0. एंड व्हाट इज द बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac? व्हाट इज द डेल्टा? दैट इज द k स्क्वायर माइनस 144. और ये क्या रहेगा? 0 बिकॉज द रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल. सॉल्व दिस. k स्क्वायर minus 144 equal to 0 and therefore k square equal to 144. Taking find the value of k, then first taking the square root of k means square root of k is equal to plus or minus 12. Therefore k equal to 12 and k equal to minus 12. This is the value of k. Okay.